In this video, we'll show you how to change the front wheel hub assembly on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. If your vehicle is equipped with aluminum rims, you will need to remove the wheel first before you can remove the central rim cover. Put the wheel back in place. Put your truck back on the ground. Use a breaker bar and a 36mm socket to unblock the nut on the end of the CV axle. Now you need to remove the brake system. For more information, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Brakes, Chevy Silverado. Then, use a fork to unclip all the clips that hold the ABS sensor cable in place. Disconnect the connector by pushing on the red plastic tab, then prying the tab and pulling it. You can also use a screwdriver to help you. Shift the ABS sensor cable. Finish unscrewing the nut on the end of the CV axle. Remove the washer. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the wheel hub to the knuckle. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the wheel hub assembly and the brake backing plate. You can use a hammer to help you. Protect the threads at the end of the CV axle with a clean cloth. Clean the wheel knuckle using a fine sandpaper. Finish with brake cleaner and wipe with a paper towel. Remove the brake backing plate if you want to reuse it on the new assembly. Clean the brake backing plate using a fine sandpaper. Then, grease the CV axle and wheel knuckle with silicone grease to facilitate insertion of the wheel hub. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new wheel hub assembly. Install the new brake backing plate on the wheel hub. Remember to thread the ABS sensor cable through the hole provided for it. Install the wheel hub assembly, aligning the bolt holes with those on the brake backing plate. Then, screw the 3 retaining bolts back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Replace the ABS sensor cable and clip it back into its slots. Plug the electrical connector back in. And lock it. Clean the wheel hub with brake cleaner and paper towels. Reinstall the brake disc. Screw the disc retaining bolt back on. Put the washer in place. Screw the hub nut back on until it makes contact. Replace the brake system. For more information, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Brakes, Chevy Silverado. Ask another person to press the brake pedal. Finish tightening the hub nut with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.